We're on video, so watch your mouth. Linda's gonna freak at this.
It's alright, don't worry about it. Michelle's got it, she'll be fine. If anything, put it back down. They can stop it here.
That's true.
That's why you do it all the time. They do stop. You have people who fall on the ski lift. Look how beautiful that is over there.
Hi!
Thank you. Just step off and walk straight ahead. Enjoy.
Oh, they shut it off. They don't slow it down anymore. Is she gonna put it off? Oh my fucking god. Just wrapped in. You're not gonna open it. Set it down. Want to go back down? Good, Linda. Get back. You made it all the way up on that. No cups.
Pops first.
Pops first. Okay. You don't want to go with me. Yeah, the speed team, and there she goes.
What?
Somebody has to go with her.
We go. Sick of her? All right, Cricket, go. Be with you. Thank you.
Birthday? How old?
50.
What's this? No test run.
I love you already.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Who's going first? Birthday girl going
No,
first?
these two are going first because I want them to be able to take pictures as the birthday girl comes in.
There you go.
It's all about the birthday.
Well, it is today, and you know, you got to forgive me that.
Okay. Need you to put that pack back on now?